So hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to learn something very simple. We are going to learn how to extract multiple RAR files that are in parts, part 1, part 2. Now if I go here and see, if I go to list view, you can see part 1, part 2, part 3. So that is what we are going to learn today, how to extract RAR files that are in parts or portions, part 1, part 2. So first of all, what you do, you select all the files. After selecting all the files, you right click, then go to extract. So you choose extractive files. So when you choose extractive files, make sure the path where you are going to extract is the same path where those files are. Then you click OK. Wait for them to extract. So it will extract those parts in order. So you can see here, if it finishes part 1, it will go to part 2 automatically. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. More videos are coming, simple videos. Thanks guys. So let's wait for it. Finish extracting. So you can see. So now you see it goes to part 2 direct. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. So we are still extracting. And in the moment it finishes extracting part 2, it will go to part 3 directly or automatically. So don't forget to subscribe as we wait for the files to extract all. Yes, so it has gone to part 3. So that is it. I think you can see. Finishes. Yeah, that is it. So if I go ahead and open the folder where the files have been extracted, you will see here is the image. I will first delete these ones. So this is the image now for Windows 11 24 HT, then 19 in 1. 19 in 1, it means it has all the versions of Windows, the Home, the Pro editions, and so much more. So here is the image. I go ahead and eject. That is all. Thanks guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.